Hello friends, today I will show you how to make $1,000 to $2,000 from TikTok. It is very easy. Now you see lots of trending video in TikTok, product videos. There are different kinds of digital product and also so many women's cloth, everything from here. People sell the product in your TikTok account. So what can you do? First you need to create an account from TikTok. So how to do it? I show you. Click on the login button in a TikTok. You click on login. It is very easy. I show you the simple way. So after that, what can you do? You click on use email. You have to sign up. You click on sign up. Okay. In a sign up, you give your mobile number and you get your 6-digit code from your mobile number, or you can use your email address as well, and you can log in or you can sign up. If there is sign up button, you click on here. If you already log in, and if you want to sign up from TikTok, you click on here, use phone or email number. It is very easy. Click on here, then give your birthday, your mobile number, and you got your 6-digit code, and you placed in here, and then next it's very easy to make TikTok account. So after TikTok account, you have to do one more things. Now you go this website. This name is DZ Store 24. This is the affiliate marketing. If you want to affiliate marketing, this is free affiliate marketing website. You can just get start. You click on just get start. Okay. Yes, it is 24. You click on get start. Then you fill up your form and you make your account, free account. It's very easy and simple. After getting start, you choose your name and email address, choose password, and there is one more click. I am a vendor or I am a affiliate. So you click on I am affiliate, then tick I have read B2B contact, and then continue. You click on continue page. Okay. So if you click continue, after that you get the next page. You form fill up, you give your name, address, everything. Okay. So it is very easy. Everyone can do it. I hope you can do it yourself as well. After that, what can you do? I show you now. After that, okay, now this is the best part in it. What can you do now? So first of all, you create your account. I think you get it, the you account. After that, you click on marketplace and all offer on affiliate marketplace. You click on all offer on affiliate marketplace. You click on here. After that, you choose the product in your niche. Okay, so what kind of niche you want, because if your TikTok account is, for example, is a computer internet product, so you choose the computer internet product. If you like food and drink, you food and drink choose the product. I like to choose the fiction. Okay, I click on the fiction, and okay, click on there, and I choose the over $800 price, over $100 price value, what can I say, product, because what can I say, its commission rate is very high. If you choose the high price product, what can I say, it's you get the more money from your affiliate program. So I choose this one over 1000 product. After that, I mention it again. Then again sign up TikTok account. Okay, give your name, email address, blah blah, your mobile number. You click on your brand new secret account. Then you go to the vanilla gallery. Here you get the free stock image. So you download the image, product image, in your category wise. You download the image, and you can download as well as in your YouTube. In your YouTube, you go to the YouTube. For example, in YouTube, and for example, Amazon Gazette. Okay, I click on Amazon Gazette. So after that, what kinds of product you want, you just download this one. You download one of this video, then make the short video. For example, these kinds of video, it only 5 to 10 second video is better. Okay, so you choose the 5 to 10 minutes 5 to 10 seconds video. So you download and make the short video. Okay, download and short make the short video if you want. Okay, so you make the short video and every day upload in every day, and you get the follower. I thought in this way you got the follower. If you popular, if you get 2000 more follower and likes, and give your product link, affiliate link over your description box. If someone like your video, what can I say, you get the affiliate link. So if someone is click your affiliate link and buy this product, you got the commission. In this way you make, I said, 1000 $2000 every month. This selling this product and got this commission. In this month I make over $10,000. So you can make it yourself as well. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also use this method. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.